Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some spalted wood here and I'm gonna work on a fun line pen. So let's get these turned down and see what we think of them. Okay, let's check it out. See what we think of it. Oh, I nicked it right there accidentally. That's okay, I gotta take that down a little more anyway. Thank goodness. I think sanding will take it down just fine though. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. I've only seen these pens with this kind of wood. I've never got to make one myself, so I love it. It's so beautiful. Okay guys, I'm gonna sand. Let me shut off my camera, get some of this cleaned up, and we'll get ready, and I'll skip through a lot of the sanding so you won't have to see it. Okay, I've got some 10,000. But I'm just gonna put this beeswax on. I've already changed the color of the other one, so. Now, what I had to do, I tried doing a CA finish. I did a terrible job, actually. It didn't work out well. Anyway, so I had to work on it some more. I skinnied it up some more, resanded it. Then I used some beeswax on it, and then I used that Micro Magic 1, 2, and 3 on it. So, here's my spalted wood. Goodness gracious. I thought it was gonna be a flop. But let's get this pen put together, finally. Okay, now this is the comfort piece that I'm not gonna put on. Because if I wanted to, you know, I could have taken down to there about an inch and taken it down to the pen tube and added that on there. But I just want to have a spalted pen, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this tip on. Oopsie, oops, oops. I'm just getting ready to have problems. Oh, beautiful. Okay, now I think I need to put this piece on, if I remember correctly. Press the pen mechanism, brass end first, to the identification mark, which is right there. Okay. So this will be the twisting mechanism, and we'll make it go to that line. I don't want to put it all the way yet, so let me check it. I don't want to get it in there too far. So So I need to further. Oh, there we go. Okay. I was worried I didn't have it right. Press the cap through the clip and then into the narrow end of the wood barrel. If any of this is blurry, I'm sorry. You know, phones update and then it wants to like autofocus on its own, and it's just, that's why some of my shorts have been just odd lately. I wanted it lined up like it was, but when I cut the wood, you know, I didn't have two pieces exactly. They were a little off from each other, you know. I had to. Okay, there's that. Now we need this little piece. And we put this on there. Okay, I can. Okay. Can you guys see that? I'm turning it. There we go. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. Maybe it'll help me focus on this pen. Isn't that beautiful? Stunning pen. I love it. You twist it. I think it turned out great. Now I might have to touch it up with some beeswax. I'll probably keep this pen. My first spalted pen ever, and I just think it's beautiful. Sweet. All right, guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you have a great day, and go be creative. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.